Hello guys. Today I will show you how to extract the AutoCAD coordinates into a table in just 2 minutes. Step 1. Download the Lisp we will use from the link in the description. Step 2. Write the command line upload, then bring the Lisp into the AutoCAD. Step 3. Type command CN in the command line to execute the Lisp. Step 4. The Lisp will show a text height scale field. Type 50, then type the prefix point text like PTX, then type the starting point number like 01. Step 5. Select the points which you want to show in the tables. Step 6. Press Escape button to exit the command. Step 7. Type command CRT in the command line to execute the table Lisp. Step 7. Press anywhere to put the final table. Step 8. Copy this table and paste it in our original layout page like this. And here is it.